Okay, this is the next installment on the casement windowsill. I have sanded down the patch and I'm ready to paint it. You can see that it's not perfect because I didn't get the epoxy on good enough. It's hopefully just good enough. I should point out that I did drill 4 holes as an afterthought, and I poured boric care into them, and then I put the 2-part epoxy directly over the boric care, and I hope that's going to work. In the past I have put wooden plugs and then put the 2-part epoxy over the wooden plugs, but I was thinking if this might be simpler and still work. It's got the liquid boric care in the hole, and then it's got the 2-part epoxy on it, so I don't know if the liquid boric care and the epoxy are going to have a bad reaction, but thought I'd give it a try. So I didn't really do too much sanding in that section at all because that's really not going to be seen at all. That's really, when the windows are closed, that's, anyway, it doesn't need sanding anyway, but it doesn't really need anything. Okay, so it's ready for some photo primer. You can see the epoxy undercuts that seem to work okay, and you can see I did fill in these cracks, and I did show a couple more finger joints right here. I sanded down and found another finger joint there, so I'll hit pause and then I'll put on the primer. Okay, coat of primer on, and everything always looks much better after it's got a coat of paint on it. Imperfections are of course still there, but hopefully they won't be noticeable from down below. So that's all for now.